Okay, welcome back. This is a quick look at King Theoden's torso armour. It's a bit complicated because there's an edging which is a kind of wrapped leather edge, and in fact there's two layers which I have to create. First of all, I'm doing the edging here, which is this kind of complex wrapped leather, and then actually on top of that is another layer with a sort of metal rim. It's got like a rim all the way around. So yeah, it's not just one plate but two plates. There's the edging getting done, and that gets deflated to provide this kind of leather detail. And there's the second plate on top with the metal rim. Yeah, so then the next thing is to get, you see the detail on the back. It's similar on the front. There's this large horse artwork, two horses' heads, and I've already cut that out, and there I am bending it into shape using Matchmaker, which is very useful. Yeah, I've got these complicated arrangements where it looks like the metal is, these metal plates are going to flex open, but in fact the leather is overlaid on two parts. So there's this complicated lip business going on there. Now this leather has to get carved into on the edges, and there's lots of line detail, stamped, again stamped leather detail. So yeah, this is showing having done that stamped leather. And now there's another little detail where it's kind of stamped into these panels. These are leather panels on top of the metal work. So those get stamped with a very fine detail. Yeah, you can see the kind of leather thing. They've got this little yeah, it looks like I'm having a bit of trouble with this. It's so fine in terms of the overall scale of the object. So I'm going to try and hang on to that detail. I'm putting a bit of texture onto the metal there. Oh, some nasty geometry had to be dealt with. Yeah. And yeah, that's some good work on the torso. This kind of effect is repeated down on the midriff. More leather panels have to be added. And look at that collar detail, yeah. So many parts for the king.